Hello and welcome to ComTechpedia. In this brief tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to download Adobe Creative Cloud for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. This way you can explore Adobe's powerful suite of apps without any need for any upfront payment. Let's begin. Click the official link in the description below this video. It will take you directly to Adobe's official free trial page for Creative Cloud, ensuring you're accessing the most secure and up-to-date version. On the page, select the Start Free Trial option under the individual plan. This grants you 7 days of full access to Creative Cloud apps, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more, allowing you to explore their full potential without cost. If prompted, you may also opt in for a free trial of Adobe stock, which gives you 10 premium assets at no cost. Even if you decide to cancel later, those assets are yours to keep. Next, sign in or create an Adobe account. You'll be required to enter a payment method, but rest assured, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 7-day trial period ends. Setting a calendar reminder is recommended so you don't miss the deadline, ensuring a secure and hassle-free experience. After registering, you'll be guided to download the Creative Cloud desktop application. This is the central hub where you can install, manage, and update all your Adobe apps. Once Creative Cloud is installed, simply log in and begin downloading any apps you wish to try: Photoshop, After Effects, InDesign, or any other. That's all there is to it. You now have 7 full days of unlimited access to Adobe Creative Cloud, allowing you to test drive the software before making any commitment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to ComTechpedia for more straightforward tech tutorials, walkthroughs, and expert tips. Thank you for watching and enjoy exploring Adobe Creative Cloud.